Mike Hambright did a series when COVID started.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I saw you speak there. And you were talking about your book, and I was thinking, man, that's great. Man, I wonder if he'll help me write a book. Or
Yeah.
And then I found out that you actually do have a program for other investors. I thought, oh, cool, I'm in. So yeah, I have not implemented. That's like one of my biggest issues is implementation. I have not implemented as much as I should have. As I think I told you earlier, I do have an engagement, speaking engagement in October. It was booked way out.
Sure.
And I'm working with a couple of homeowners that are, in that situation where they're thinking about downsizing or downsizing their parent and trying to figure out what to do.
Yeah, what happened with I know you were working with, I remember I saw something on our Facebook group where you were talking
Yeah.
a lady. I think you had driven by their house and then somehow got in touch with the relatives and somehow got your book in their hands. How did that all go down? And
it's still going. It's still going. She just told me, that things are just taking longer. There's a few siblings involved. I know it gets more complicated the more players you have in it. But, she always responds when I reach out to her, and she's always grateful. So I really believe I'm going to be the first person she calls when they decide to move forward. I'm totally convinced without being too overconfident. But
yeah. What was her kind of reaction, the homeowners, reaction, the family, when they found out that you were a published author and then you got the book in their hands and they had a chance to go through it? What kind of feedback did they share with you?
Yeah. They really like it. For me, when I read it, I think it's kind of basic, but that's because I'm in the business. But when other people read it, they think, oh, wow, this is great information. And they also, I think you saw the comment about, they appreciate the fact that we give them options. We don't try to steer them into our own, our own program, what we want them to do.